let's start the video. Okay, I'm going to tell about integration of Microsoft SQL and Python program. As you see, there is something step. There is three including steps. Now first is a connection with Microsoft SQL dataset with Python. Second one is processing is coming data table. You can use coming data with different machine learning algorithms and multi-criteria decision making and statistical descriptive processing. Now it may be all of them. Okay. Third one is export result, which is the coming data and processing with for example machine learning. Now you can send this code export data table as data table. Okay, I can start this first step with detail. Now it is including server name, database, username, password. Now this information is necessary for running program, running connection with Python and Microsoft SQL. Now server name, if you use local host of your server name, now you can write just that. It is necessary for calling. Okay, other one is database name, username and password. It is necessary for running this code. Now other one is created a new object. CNXN is new object. It is including PyODBC class that connects method. Now it is calling from PyODBC library in Python. Now as you see, contact. Other one is cursor. Now it is important is df object. Df object is including pandas library. Now you can create as data frame for is coming data table. Now it is necessary for description. Okay, other one is database. Database is including something attribute of columns information transaction. Now okay, it is enough. I can pass other step. Other step is second one, processing is comic material. Anymore we have a new table coming from MSSQL. Now I can process this data table. Okay, now in this example, now I create a new multi-criteria decisions making library. Now I process of coming data table. I created a new object weighted. Now as you see, it is necessary for telling about just enough. I can pass third one step processing data table sending to MSSQL. Okay, I can definition of but it is these are the same. First step server name, database, username, password. Okay, that's enough. Other one is these are the same. The first step is coming step. Now there is something different code. As you see, cursor execute. It is query coming from Microsoft SQL. Write type. I can create attribute column in database. Now other one is for loop. For loop is including insert into query and for created a new table for sending MSSQL is coming material processing database. I can say that. Now as you see, it is including insert into, for example, table name. Other one is including content of attribute, date, supplier, code, something like that. Now other one is okay, value, as you see, and row dot supplier name. Other one something like that. Okay, it is necessary. Now other one is user execute, create a table. These are the same. It is not necessary this step. Now I can tell about step all of this process in shortly. As a result, in shortly, there is just 3-step processing coming data. First is coming a connection with Python and Microsoft SQL data. Second one is process with machine learning and multi-criteria decision making, something like that, statistical descriptives. Okay. Last one is sending to Microsoft SQL, created new table. Now, as you see result, now I share this code and as link GitHub code. You will visit this code. It is necessary in today. Have a good night.